大家好，我是 Peggy. Welcome to another intermediate Chinese lesson. Firstly, a big shout out to my student in New York, Jack, for getting a 95 in his Chinese exam. I also thank Jennifer for supporting me in Dragon Tier on Patreon. I'm hosting my next live Q&A event on April 13th. This will be a patrons-only event, so sign up on Patreon. I'll be answering your questions and sharing some common grammatical mistakes students often make in Chinese. Now, let's look at a short skit in Chinese, followed by a lesson focusing on 在。
喂，妈，你在家吗？
在上班啊，你在干嘛？那什么声音啊？
哦，我在洗衣服啦。到底是要先放脏衣服还是洗衣精啊？喂，妈，我在超市买东西，要买哪个牌子的啊？喂，妈，我在家做饭，米饭怎么煮啊？妈，我感冒了，在医院，要看哪一科啊？
在 as a preposition is used to denote one's location. Subject plus 在 followed by location. For example, 我在公司 I located in the company, meaning I'm at work. If the subject of the sentence is evident, the subject is often left out in spoken Mandarin. For example,
在医院，
在医院 located in the hospital. In this case is 我在医院 I'm at the hospital. One can form a yes or no question by adding ma at the end of the sentence. For example,
你在家吗？
你在家吗? You located at home? Are you at home? To ask an open question, we will use 哪里?你在哪里? You located where? Where are you? One can ask the same question in a more casual manner. 你在哪? Where are you at? 在 also denotes that the speaker is carrying out an action at the moment. The subject is in the process of doing something. Here's the sentence pattern. Subject plus 在 followed by a verb and object, such as
在上班啊。
我在上班 I'm in the process of attending work shift, meaning I'm working. The other example is
哦，我在洗衣服啦。
我在洗衣服 I'm in the process of washing clothes. I'm doing laundry. To ask what someone is doing, we say 你在做什么? You in the process of doing what? But in colloquial Mandarin, we simply say 你在干嘛?
你在干嘛？
你在干嘛?干嘛 means 做什么. So 你在干嘛 means what are you up to? Now, if it's obvious to whom the question is directing, the subject is often left out. So you would say 在做什么 or 在干嘛. These two 在 can be used together to describe where one is at and what one is doing at that place. Here's the sentence pattern. Subject plus 在 followed by location plus verb and object.
我在超市买东西。
我在超市买菜 I located at supermarket buying food or groceries.
我在家做饭。
我在家做饭。I located at home cooking food. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. You can unlock and download all of my lesson audio and study sheets on Patreon. I hope to see you at my next live event on April 13th. 我们下次见。Join my next live Q&A event on Patreon, where I will also be sharing some learning tips. 我们下次见。